Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be learning how to turn off all ads on your iOS or iPhone device. So if you want to block all annoying ads on your iOS device, this is a step you need to follow. Like and subscribe. So there are some apps that you enter, then you find out that you have some advertisements in them. Let's learn how to end everything now. So go ahead to your Chrome or your Safari browser and search for AdGuard's DNS download. So I'm going to search for this AdGuard DNS download. I'm going to click on my enter. So once it displays, you are going to click on the first website you are seeing as shown in the screen above. So I'm going to click on this website as shown there in the screen above, and the next thing to do is to locate the one that I have to do with my iOS device. So go to the option 2 and go down to the iOS and try to download the iOS for the iPhone. So go ahead to click on download configuration profile. So I'm going to download the configuration profile, then click on allow. So once it's downloaded, I click on close and I go ahead to my settings. So locate settings right on your iPhone device. So let's go to settings. The next thing to do is to click on mobile service. So click on mobile service or general, then scroll down, then locate VPN and device management. So after this, you're going to see the downloaded profile. Try to install this profile, enter your passcode to continue, and once you are done installing, click on install at the top. So install the profile. Then once you are done installing, you have to switch now to AdGuard and make sure it is on AdGuard. And this is simply have to do change your VPN to AdGuard. Then once you are done, you just connect and you have all advertisements on your profile blocked. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.